All right, you want to talk about pride of ownership? Let's talk about this one owner 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LS. It's got the regular cab with the 8-foot box, 5.3 liter V8. Got a tow package as well as a power package and remote entry, factory remote starter, air conditioning, and cruise control. And we'll keep on moving around the truck. We can see our back rack there. You can see our spray-in bed liner. We got a brand new tonneau cover on the way. Some nice riveted fender flares. We've got the all-terrains on alloys. The chrome side steps as well. Hop in where we've got our seats that have had seat covers since brand new. I'm telling you, this thing is spotless. Hasn't even been to our detailer yet. And this is what she's looking like.